everyone, welcome back to my channel Miss Elie's Classroom. Teachers Day is a beautiful occasion to appreciate all the amazing teachers who guide us, inspire us and make learning fun and meaningful. A teacher is not just someone who teaches lessons from book. A teacher encourages us to believe in ourselves, help us discover our talent, values and supports us whenever we need guidance. So, what could be more special than giving your teacher a beautiful handmade card on Teachers Day? In today's video, we are sharing some creative and beautiful Teachers Day card ideas that are perfect for students, kids, and anyone who wants to make something special for their favorite teacher. These cards can be made using simple craft material that are easily available at home or in the classroom. You can use colorful sticks, sheets, paper patterns, ribbon, stickers, marker, glitter, flowers, heart, and other decorative material who give your card a beautiful look. The best thing about a handmade card is that you can make it completely personal. You can choose your favorite color, add your own decoration and write a special message inside. You can write simple and sweet messages such as Happy Teacher's Day, thank you for being an amazing teacher, thank you for helping me learn and grow, or simply write best teacher ever. You can also add a small drawing, a cute flower, a heart, or your teacher's favorite things to make the card even more meaningful. Remember, your card doesn't have to be perfect. What makes it special is the love and effort behind it. A simple handmade card brings a big smile to your teacher's face. Teachers work hard every day to help their students learn, grow, and become confident individuals. Teachers Day give us a wonderful opportunity to say thank you and show them how much their effort mean to us. So, if you are looking for a creative Teachers Day activities, choose your favorite card idea from this video and start creating. You can also involve your friend and classmates and make different cards together. It can be a fun and memorable classroom activity. We hope these Teachers Day card ideas inspire you to create something beautiful and meaningful for your teachers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these ideas, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative classroom activities, DIY ideas and decoration inspiration. And once again, happy Teachers Day to all the wonderful teachers. Thank you for teaching, inspiring, caring and making a difference every single day. Allah Hafiz, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.